This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Remove the fender brace. Unscrew the cable bolt and disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal first. Flip open the protective cover. Unscrew the cable bolt and disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Release the harness clip from the side of the battery tray. Release the retaining clip and lift the junction block and positive cable off of the battery, setting it aside. Remove the battery hold-down clamp. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Make sure that the cable ends and terminals are capable of providing a clean connection. To ensure this, clean the cables and terminals with a battery brush. Clean the battery tray, making sure the battery will be set on a smooth, even surface. Install the battery onto the battery tray. Install the battery hold-down clamp. Tighten the clamp bolt securely. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal on the battery. Tighten the cable bolt securely, then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Reconnect the harness clip to the side of the battery tray. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable bolt securely. Install the fender brace. Tighten the brace retaining bolts securely.